Selecting the right sleeping bag is crucial for a pleasant outdoor adventure. Today, we'll explore the top sleeping bags available on the market. From budget-friendly choices to premium ultralight selections, each sleeping bag has unique features and considerations that we have carefully evaluated by examining the trade-offs and benefits, considering real-world experiences, and taking into account customer feedback and reviews. Whether prioritizing durability, warmth, versatility, or portability, understanding the diverse landscape of sleeping bags ensures that outdoor enthusiasts can enhance their camping gear with confidence for a comfortable night under the stars. Here goes our top recommendations for the best sleeping bags that will make your camping experience memorable. All product links are provided in the description below. 5. Coleman Brazos Camping Sleeping Bag. Over the course of numerous years, the Coleman Brazos has consistently stood out for individuals operating within a limited budget. Its robust durability and commendable heat retention have continually left a positive impression, particularly when navigating the competitive landscape of sleeping bags. This sleeping bag is a particularly suitable choice for those embarking on their initial camping expedition or for families seeking to acquire multiple sleeping bags for children, friends, and extended relatives. Naturally, the realm of budget products entails certain compromises. The Brazos, while delivering on affordability, falls short in terms of comfort and overall quality when compared to premium sleeping bags. Its dimensions are notably more compact, rendering it less suitable for individuals of taller stature or broader build. One other drawback associated with this budget-friendly sleeping bag is its inner liner's susceptibility to accumulating dirt and debris. Furthermore, the Brazos exhibits a relatively shorter and narrower configuration, limiting its compatibility with individuals seeking a more spacious sleeping arrangement. Additionally, its water resistance capabilities fall short of more premium alternatives. Nevertheless, for those constrained by budgetary considerations and merely desiring to experience the outdoors occasionally, the Coleman Brazos unquestionably earns its place in the camping gear arsenal. 4. Mountain Hardwear Bishop Pass 15. When it comes to high-end sleeping bags with their astronomical prices, the average backpacker may find them impractical. In such cases, we recommend a more budget-friendly option, the Mountain Hardwear Bishop Pass 15. This sleeping bag is a top choice for those seeking value without compromising on performance. It features a simple mummy design filled with 650 fill power down, striking a good balance for practical use. The Bishop Pass 15 impresses with its warmth-to-weight ratio, making it a choice in the affordable sleeping bag category. And its pack size is relatively small compared to similar models offering similar warmth. While it may not offer the utmost comfort and versatility, it meets the expectations of most shoppers, especially those prioritizing budget considerations. It's essential to acknowledge that the Bishop Pass 15 falls short when compared to ultra-premium sleeping bags. Its goose down lacks the loftiness found in higher-end options, and the nylon lining is functional but not as support. There is a Lowe's roughly 30% weight disadvantage compared to the lightest high-end models. Despite these differences, we believe that for most backpackers, these drawbacks are not significant. Choosing the Bishop Pass allows them to enjoy substantial cost savings, which can be allocated to improving other components of their overnight gear kit. 3. Sierra Designs Get Down 20 for Women Sleeping Bag. The Sierra Designs Get Down 20 for Women is a commendably priced product within the realm of down sleeping bags, offering warmth suitable for most three-season excursions, coupled with a reasonably lightweight build and compact pack size. This sleeping bag provides excellent value for its cost. While there are more sophisticated and high-performing options available, the Get Down is a spectacular choice given its affordability. It's worth noting that its utility may be limited in the shoulder seat, as its 23-degree Fahrenheit rating might not suffice in sub-freezing temperatures. This sleeping bag adopts a straightforward design, lacking intricate features, which contributes to its relatively light carry weight. Sierra Design's choice to employ a half-length zipper is aimed at weight saving, although it does come at the expense of some comfort. The inability to extend feet or drape the bag over oneself may affect overall comfort level. Additionally, the down used in the Get Down is of a lower quality at 550 fill power, meaning it's less lofty compared to higher fill power products, resulting in a heavier bag to achieve equivalent warmth. In summary, the Sierra Designs Get Down 20, while not as warm as some technical counterparts, excels in terms of portability, roominess, and overall lightweight design. Its half-length zipper, while contributing to weight savings, may impact comfort for some users. Nonetheless, in less extreme weather conditions, this sleeping bag offers a comfortable and compact solution, catering to those who prioritize a balance of affordability and performance. 2. Feathered Friends Flicker 40 Ul. The Feathered Friends Flicker 40 Ul is a top-tier ultralight sleeping bag priced at $469 from Feathered Friends. The decision to invest in this sleeping bag is bolstered by several noteworthy features, although it comes with its share of consideration. One of the key strengths of the Flicker 40 Ul lies in its exceptional warmth-to-weight ratio, making it an ideal choice for those who meticulously track every ounce of their gear. Its innovative design incorporates a full-length zipper, allowing it to function both as a hoodless mummy bag and an open quilt. This versatility significantly broadens its usable temperature range, providing ample ventilation when used as a quilt during warm summer nights. The utilization of 8.4 ounces of 950+ fill power goose down adds to its capability, enabling it to perform admirably down to its 40°F temperature rating. This makes it particularly well suited for thru hikers or dedicated backpackers seeking a single lightweight model adaptable to varying conditions. However, the Flicker 40 Ul does come with a substantial drawback: the absence of a hood. While its warmth-to-weight ratio remains outstanding, those prioritizing the highest warmth-to-weight ratio may opt for a hooded mummy design instead. The undeniable advantage of the Flicker lies in its added versatility, allowing users to wear it with their feet out and the zipper done up, providing comfort until the sun's warmth takes over. Notably, the excellence of the Flicker 40 Ul is reflected in its price tag, which may be considered expensive for those outside the realm of the most committed ultralight enthusiasts. Nevertheless, for those who value the enhanced adaptability and performance offered by this sleeping bag, the investment is likely justifiable. Overall, the Feathered Friends Flicker 40 Ul stands as a premium choice for individuals who prioritize an ultralight design with versatile functionality, even if it comes at a higher cost. 1. Teton Sports Polara 3-in-1 Camping Sleeping Bag. The Teton Sports Polara 3-in-1 Camping Sleeping Bag offers a unique and highly versatile sleeping solution, equipped with a warm fleece interior and a robust outer shell. Priced attractively, this sleeping bag stands out for its customizable design, featuring a removable inner liner and the ability to layer components for personalized warmth adjustments. The thoughtful construction of this sleeping bag allows each part to be independently changed out, removed, or added back in, providing a multitude of options suitable for various sleeping preferences and environmental conditions. The Polara's system of customization is complemented by practical features, including useful pockets, snaps, loops, and zippers, enhancing its overall functionality. Despite its multifaceted design, the Polara efficiently stows away into a compact size, making it more portable compared to many other tested sleeping bags. Nevertheless, the Teton Sports Polara 3-in-1 Camping Sleeping Bag remains an excellent and adaptable choice for most campers. It provides warmth, versatility, and practical features at a compelling price point. The inclusion of a neck baffle and well-placed drawstrings enhances its ability to keep campers cozy and warm, contributing to an overall positive camping experience.